Welcome back to SAMZ Insights Hub. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into AI video editing tools and automation to help you create professional quality videos faster than ever before. If you're looking to take your video content to the next level with minimal effort, then keep watching. Advanced AI tools for faster and better video production. In our previous video, we covered some basic AI video tools like Pictory and Lumen 5. Today, we'll introduce more advanced options that provide finer control over editing, customization, and even full automation of the editing process. With these tools, you can create polished, high-quality content with less time and effort. Tool number 1: InVideo AI-powered editing with creative control. First up is InVideo, an AI-powered video editor that allows for more advanced customization and creative control. Unlike tools that fully automate the process, InVideo lets you combine AI features with manual editing, so you can perfect your videos while still benefiting from AI assistance. Example: let's say you're creating a video about best practices for social media marketing. InVideo's AI can automatically suggest visuals and transitions, but you can manually adjust each frame, choose from thousands of templates, and even customize animations and text to suit your brand. How to use InVideo. 1. Sign up at InVideo. 2. Choose a template or start from scratch. 3. Use AI suggestions to add visuals, transitions, and animations. 4. Customize the timeline, music, and text overlays. 5. Export and download your video. With InVideo, you get the best of both worlds: quick AI-assisted editing, along with full creative freedom to adjust your video to perfection. Tool number 2: Runway ML for professional video effects and automation. Next, we have Runway ML, an advanced AI platform that's perfect for creators who want to apply professional-grade effects and automate parts of the editing process. What's unique about Runway ML is its ability to handle tasks like automatic object removal, motion tracking, and even green screen effects, all powered by AI. Imagine you're creating a tutorial video, but there's some unwanted background noise or an object that needs to be removed. With Runway ML, you can easily remove it without spending hours manually editing. How to use Runway ML. 1. Visit Runway ML. 2. Upload your video and select the task you want to automate, e.g., object removal, green screen effects. 3. Let the AI process your video and apply the effect automatically. 4. Download your enhanced video. Runway ML is a game changer for anyone looking to add professional effects without the steep learning curve of traditional video software. Tool number 3: Descript automate video editing with text-based controls. Finally, we have Descript, an innovative tool that allows you to edit videos the same way you would edit a Word document. Descript automatically transcribes your video into text, and you can delete or move sections of the video by simply editing the text. Let's say you're filming a 10-minute educational video, but there's a section where you fumbled your words. With Descript, all you have to do is delete that part from the text transcription, and the video will automatically remove the corresponding footage. How to use Descript. 1. Sign up at Descript. 2. Upload your video or audio file for transcription. 3. Edit your content by modifying the text. 4. The AI will automatically adjust the video based on your text changes. Descript is incredibly useful for anyone creating interviews, podcasts, or tutorials where you want precise control over the final cut. The power of AI for video automation: save time, automate, and enhance creativity with AI-powered tools like InVideo, Runway ML, and Descript allow creators to save time while enhancing the creative process. Whether you're automating basic tasks or applying complex visual effects, AI is transforming how we produce videos. Examples: InVideo, automate transitions and animations. Runway ML, use AI to remove objects or apply green screen effects. Descript, edit entire videos just by adjusting text. These tools allow even beginners to produce professional videos in a fraction of the time it used to take. With AI, you can focus on delivering your message and let the software handle the technical aspects. More iVideos. Subscribe for more iVideo creation tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to SAMZ Insights Hub for more tips and tutorials on using AI for video creation. Let us know in the comments which tool you're excited to try, and we'll see you in the next video. Links to tools discussed in this video are in description. Thanks for watching SAMZ AI Insights Hub.